Hello again. This is a second video about how to repair. I'll just try to open another one. Maybe you didn't notice the first one, so I'll try to open another one and see how can we test it. First, we press on this side, not this one, the side where there's a plus sign and minus sign here. So here's a plus, and here's also minus. Plus here and minus here. So we press on these edges here. There's a tape here. Just don't use any kind of screwdriver or anything metal, because you're gonna make short and that might do hard for you. So I'm not gonna take any responsibility of any damages or any hurt to you. I'll just make my video here just to show you. This is not a tutorial. So now it's open. I just will remove the plastic cover. Now I remove the plastic cover, and sometimes you find like this tape. This is a yellow tape. I'm just gonna remove it, but I will be careful not to touch the positive or because here is only one terminal I'm pressing, and I'll try to remove this tape. Stuck in here. Funny. Okay, so let's test how much is the voltage of this battery. This is a positive, this is negative, and 2.82. This one also 2.81. So this is a second battery, and simply you can repair it, and I'll show you how to charge it. I'm not going to using the conventional charger to charge this battery. I'm going to use another charger. Maybe I use it the previous video. So I have 2 minutes. I'll try to open this battery and see how can we test it. So the same problem. There is no reading here from these terminals. This is it. This is a negative, this is a positive. So I just gonna remove this plastic cover here, which is covering the circuitry. I'm gonna use a screwdriver here. Sometimes a little bit. This cover is not like the iPhone battery cover. This one is a little bit stronger, but you have to remove this tape from here. You have to be careful because this battery is okay, to 2600 milliamp hour. So there's good juice inside it, so don't mess with it if you don't know where to press. Okay, all right, take it out. Now here's the circuitry here. I'm just gonna open it. As I said, we're not going to using these batteries for mobile purposes. So let's check the voltage here. Is a positive here. And negative here. And 2.4. So the positive is on the body here. This is the body. Here, same thing. I put it here. And here's the negative in the middle. So the negative terminal is in the middle, in the center, and the positive is on both sides. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to charge these batteries.